Welcome back, food enthusiasts. Today, we have a luxurious treat in store for you. Get ready to indulge in the succulent flavors of lobster with garlic and butter sauce. But wait, there's more. We'll also be uncovering some fascinating unknown facts about this exquisite dish. Let's dive right in. Lobster with garlic and butter sauce is a culinary masterpiece that epitomizes elegance and indulgence. Did you know that this dish has been enjoyed for centuries? Lobster has long been considered a delicacy, and its unique flavor and tender meat have made it a prized ingredient in many cuisines around the world. Now, let's talk about the preparation of lobster with garlic and butter sauce. It starts with selecting a fresh and live lobster, which is essential to ensure the highest quality and taste. The lobster is then carefully cooked, either by boiling or steaming, until the meat is perfectly tender. The next step is the creation of the garlic and butter sauce. This heavenly sauce is made by sautéing minced garlic in melted butter, which infuses the sauce with a rich and aromatic flavor. The buttery sauce beautifully coats the succulent lobster meat, creating a harmonious combination that will leave your taste buds in awe. And now, let's move on to some fascinating facts about lobster. Did you know that lobsters were once considered food for the poor? In the early days, lobsters were so abundant that they were often used as fertilizer or served to prisoners. It wasn't until the mid-19th century that lobsters gained popularity and became associated with fine dining. Here's another surprising fact: lobsters have an incredible lifespan. Some species of lobsters can live for over 100 years. These magnificent creatures continue to grow throughout their lives, and their size is a result of their age and environment. Lastly, lobster is an excellent source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. It's low in fat and carbohydrates, making it a nutritious choice for seafood lovers. Lobster is particularly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have numerous health benefits, including promoting heart health and reducing inflammation. So there you have it, folks. Lobster with garlic and butter sauce, a luxurious dish with a rich history and some fascinating facts. If you've never experienced the decadence of lobster, it's definitely a must-try. Treat yourself to this culinary delight and elevate your dining experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments if you've ever tried lobster with garlic and butter sauce, or if you have any other lobster recipes you'd like to share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bon appétit!